Hello again, it's Sam with BlindShell. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone and notification tone on your BlindShell Classic mobile phone. So first things first, we need to get into the settings. I can scroll to the right until I reach settings. A very easy, quick way to do that is to simply press the 5 on the keypad.
Settings 5 of 9.
Jumps me right to settings. Now I can click OK.
Sounds 1 of 8.
The very first option is sounds. That's the one we want, so I'm going to click OK again.
Profiles 1 of 6.
Now we're looking for melodies, and that one is the third option in the list here, so I'm just going to click 3.
Melodies 3 of 6.
That jumps me right to it.
Ringtone sound 1 of 3.
Ringtones is the first option.
Notification sound 2 of 3.
Notification sounds is the second one.
Alarm sound 3 of 3.
And we can also change our alarm sounds. Now it's going to be the same process for all three, so let's go back to the ringtones.
Ringtone sound 1 of 3.
When I click into the list of ringtones, it's going to tell me the name of the song. It will tell me what position it is in the list, what number it is, and then it will play a small sample of that song. Now I can cycle through until I find the one that I want. Once I do, I simply click OK and assign it as my ringtone.
Tab selected 43 of 97. Glacial groove not selected 44 of 97. Growl not selected 45 of 97. Halfway home not selected 46 of 97. Halfway home selected. Ringtone sound 1 of 3.
And then I simply clicked on the back button to go back. We have a total of 97 ringtones, 69 notification tones, and 16 alarm sounds. So there's bound to be something for everyone. You can also set individual ringtones for contacts, and that's done in the contact settings. Thank you very much for watching. If you would like to learn more about what the BlindShell Classic phone can do, be sure to stop by our YouTube channel and check out all of our tutorial videos.